Are you baffled by those unexpected attacks? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's unravel the mystery of hiccups. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, contracts involuntarily. This sudden movement makes your vocal cords snap shut, creating that lovely hic sound. But what triggers these annoying spasms? Eating too fast, gulping down fizzy drinks, or even getting a sudden shock can set them off. Yep, that surprise party might come with a side of hiccups. So how can you stop this hiccup madness? Try holding your breath, sipping some water, or my personal favorite, swallowing a spoonful of sugar. Sweet relief, literally. Fascinating, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.